everyone, and welcome to 21 Benbow Avenue, Epping 1. Fantastic, complex, 24-hour security. All units are modern design with good height and an excellent office component. All the units also come with a generous power supply. As you can see, this park is very well maintained. It also has a lot of parking for a park this size. And unlike some of the smaller parks, the access here is very, very good with interlink access. All tenants feel very secure, even leaving their stock outside sometimes.